Now, one of the nice things in our control software is we don't have to run the program and hope for the best. We can run it through the graph screen. And what the graph screen does is it looks at the very first line of code and works its way down and checks every line of code for errors. So when working with the converter, that's going to be the first step. Identify the areas of your program that need to be repaired. So this is our graph screen button. I'm going to select it, and boom, we have our first error. Now don't just go and hit OK and skip the error. Read the error. Unsupported G code, very common one. What you're going to do is go through this, go to line number 8, we're going to go back down, and we're going to identify what that is. As I go through each line and correct them and graph it and identify everything that needs to be corrected, I can then create my rules. So let's jump into the converter. File, Convert, and then Convert Program Settings. Take a look at the program. This is the code that's currently on the machine. If I go directly to the Convert option and I select the converter, and would you look at that? Absolutely no errors. All right, here's the program before conversion. Let's make sure it doesn't work. There you go, line 8 again. Let's just run it through the converter we made. File, Convert, it's converted, but is it good? Moment of truth. You betcha.